Now I see some of you looking at my, rings. Do you like my rings? Aren't they fantastic? Each one of them has the most fabulous story. Does anyone in the audience have a ring they want to show me? I get all of my best ideas from you. Anybody out there? I do. Miss Sophie Tucker, what are you doing here? What is that?
It's my yellow diamond.
What yellow diamond?
Oh, don't you remember that crazy yenta from New York? We were playing the Ramona Room, and this woman walks up to me and tells me the whole story about how she got her yellow diamond. And that night we wrote a song about it. You remember? We laughed so hard writing it. And then the next night, when she and her husband came back to the show...
You brought the house down. Oh, Sophie Tucker, please sing us a song tonight. Don't you want to hear Sophie sing?
You know, really?
Please.
Oh, okay, only if you'll play it.
I'll do anything for you, dear. You know that.
At the Hotel Quisisana, on the Isle of Capri, it was time for cappuccino, just my lovey-dove and me. We walked by a store called Lena's. It said jeweler to the stars, with a window filled with diamonds, laid on stacks of pure gold bars. I heard guitars and mandolins and gypsy violins. Hi, me, won't you buy me the yellow canary diamond in the window? Hi, me. Hi, me, won't you buy me the yellow canary diamond that I see? That stone is mesmerizing. It's Zabar's appetizing, a hot pastrami from the Carnegie. It's my only guilty pleasure. Am I not the wife you treasure? It would symbolize the measure of your love for me, dear Jaime. He looked at me so quizzically, that little chickadee. He said, my darling, physically, you're sculpted perfectly. That stone's a mere distraction from the beauty that I see. So instantly, I knew I'd need a different strategy. It's time that we go straight for his ego and for his manly pride. Heidi, won't you buy me the yellow canary diamond in the window? Come on, sing it. Heidi. Heidi, won't you buy me the yellow canary diamond that I see? With the purpose of that one ring, you can show the whole world one thing, that I'm married to a most successful man. Yes, it's all about impression. On Capri, there's no recession. It's the ultimate expression of prosperity. Bluebirds will sing the moment you get me that ring. Sparrows will fly, cockatiels sigh. Ah, what a guy. Falcons will flock the instant you get me that rock. Boy, what a catch! It's just chicken scratch when you see opportunity snatch. Dear Jaime, Jaime, won't you buy me the yellow canary diamond in the window? Jaime, Jaime, won't you buy me the yellow canary diamond that I see? I'll set your bed on fire. I'll fill you with desire. I'll satisfy your every carnal need. Oh, Jaime, please, just refrain from telling me no, and you'll be my Valentino, and we'll celebrate in Reno with me on my knees. Oh, please, Jaime, for little old me. We're all birds of a feather. We chicks must stick together. So here's a lesson, old as time but true. You know it's true. It's a cardinal rule. We all know, ladies, listen up and follow. A canary
Thank you, ladies.